Spoiler alert, there's going to be a lot of cute pets in this video. Aussies love forking out for their furry friends. We pay big bucks for premium dog food, baller outfits, customised kennels and fancy kitty litter. But what about pet insurance? That's exactly what we're here to investigate. So let's understand what pet insurance is. It's basically a healthcare policy for your cat or dog, and much like health insurance for humans, it can help you to save big or medical costs, or in this case, vet bills. For example, if your four-legged friend swallowed something they shouldn't have and needed an urgent operation to remove it, pet insurance will cover up to 80% of the treatment costs. This means that a $1,000 procedure may only leave you $200 out of pocket. So how much does it cost? Like any insurance policy, this depends on a handful of factors. Your level of cover, along with the age, sex, and breed of your pet, can all impact the price of your premium. On average, pet insurance for dogs will set you back around $370 to $840 per year. This might seem like a lot, but when you consider an operation can set you back thousands, it's a no-brainer. Good news for cat lovers. Cats are usually cheaper to insure than dogs, and their breed won't impact the price of their premium. The best way to understand when to get pet insurance is to understand when it's worth it and when it's not. It can be worth it when your pet is young. Insuring your pet early on means they'll still receive cover in their old age, and this is when health problems are more likely to occur. Older pets aged 7 to 9 years and over are usually excluded from new policies, other than accident only. Secondly, when your dog's breed is more prone to hereditary diseases. Some dog breeds are much more likely to get sick than others, and while you may have to pay a higher premium depending on your dog's breed, you'll be covered for the cost of their medical care should they need it down the track. So if you've got a little Frenchie or a German Shepherd, it's probably a good idea to get cover. If you've got a terrier or a mixed breed, you might be able to get away without it. Third, you want peace of mind. Comprehensive policies include regular vet visits and checkups. So if something doesn't seem right with your best buddy, you can get it checked out straight away. Plus, you won't be faced with the heartbreaking reality of having to put your pet down because you can't afford the cost of treatment. Pet insurance may not be worth it. For example, if your pet already suffers from a condition prior to taking out pet insurance, you won't be covered for that particular issue or any other related illnesses. This means that if your dog has a skin condition and you decide to take out pet insurance, you won't be covered for any skin-related illnesses in the future, even if your pet has never had it before. Secondly, if you've got enough savings in the bank. If you're comfortable you have enough savings stashed away to cover an expensive medical emergency, you might be better off relying on this instead. Makes you wonder though, can't you just stash away a little each month to cover these vet bills? This is a good option, if you're disciplined. By opening a high-interest savings account and setting aside a portion of your pay each week, you could build up enough money to cover a small emergency. However, if you only start saving once you bring your pet home, it's going to take you a while to build up a decent emergency fund, which wouldn't help you if an expensive vet bill came in straight away. Chances are your pet is going to have to see a vet for an expensive medical issue at some point in their life. Whether they get a tick, need dental work, or break their leg, the necessary treatment could end up costing thousands of dollars. By taking out pet insurance, you're safeguarding both your furry friend and your finances against the unexpected. But if your pet is too old or too sick to qualify for a new policy, a savings account could be a good option. So what do you think? Let us know about your pets and whether you think insurance is worth it in the comments below. If you'd like a quote or want to find out more information, we've got a link below to a bunch of providers. Or if you prefer a high interest savings account, we have a link below to some of those options too.